Welcome back. Following on from the last clip where we had a look at navigation shortcuts, this one looks at how we cut, copy and paste data within our spreadsheets. Again, all without using a mouse. Faster, more efficient. These are the keystrokes that we're going to be working with, and rather than sort of go through these individually here, let's just pick it up on a spreadsheet. Okay, I've entered a number in cell I7 and it's got a bit of formatting to it. Two things we can do. We can either copy that somewhere else or we can move it somewhere else. So let's start with the copying first. So hit Control and C and you see it goes dashed around the borders. So you're copying and I want to copy it here. So simply press Control V or just enter and it'll copy everything that the cell has, including the formats. We might only want to move the value, not the format. So Control C is copy, and over here you press Alt E S V and then enter. Now, because there are no plus signs over here, you can press each of those individually. Alt E S V and then enter, and that will just move the value in that cell and nothing else. Do the next one, Control C, Alt E S and T, enter. We'll copy the format, but not the content. And finally, we might want to copy a formula. So let's just turn this into a formula and press Control Copy. Alt ESF, enter. Let's just have a look at what's in the cell. Again, you can see that the formula's been copied, not the format. If you've decided that you don't like what you've done, you can simply undo what you've just done by pressing Control and Z. And that just undoes everything. And then you change your mind again and you think, no, it was fine. So let's redo everything. That means Control and Y. Okay, that's when you're copying things around. If you want to move that cell, then it's going to be Control X, which is cut. And move it to the cell that you want, press Enter, and it moves everything. Over here, you don't have the alternatives of these. It's going to move everything. So Control X is cut, paste. Control X, enter. Okay, let's just undo all of that. Back to where we started. Right, the last thing we'll look at is the fill handle, or ways to copy formulas or content very, very quickly over large blocks of cells. So what I've done is I've just put in a couple of things, and let me just copy the formula, Alt ESF. So that will get us down to there. Just enter something in cell B1, X. Now, if you want to copy that X down, we can do it quickly by using the fill handle. So we go to the cell, hover over the cell, go to the bottom right of that cell until you see the crosshairs, and then just double click. And as long as there's something in the adjacent cell, it'll copy everything as long as there's something in the adjacent cell. Now let's just do something slightly different and use a formula. So let me just select that column, copy that over there, and now put in a formula. Okay, so that's the formula. So if I want to copy that formula down quickly, and it's good when you've got a large amount of data that you want to quickly work with, just go down to the fill handle, get the crosshairs, double click, and it'll copy that formula down. Okay, that's it for this one. In the next one, what we're going to do is look at how we can quickly select individual cells or blocks of cells and copy, cut or paste those somewhere else. So hope to see you there. This is Abdullah signing off. Thanks for listening.